In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your country on Binance step by step. Whether you've recently moved to a new country, changed your residence for work or study, or you simply need to update your account information to stay compliant, this simple guide will walk you through everything you need to know. Keeping your country details accurate is extremely important on Binance, so following the correct process can help you avoid verification issues later, right? First, open the Binance app on your phone or visit the Binance website on your computer and log into your account. Make sure you're using a secure internet connection before continuing. Once you're logged in, look at the top corner of the screen and tap on your profile icon. This is where all your personal account settings and verification details are located, so be sure to follow along carefully. Next, tap on Account Info and then select Verifications. You'll see several options here that help you manage your identity and address details. This section is used by Binance to make sure all user information follows regional rules and regulations, so it's an important part of the process. Take your time and read what's shown on the screen before moving forward. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your new address is correct, your documents are clear and readable, and your name matches exactly across all uploaded files. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary delays or rejections during verification. Once you've completed these checks, scroll down to the Address or Country of Residence section and tap on the option to change it. After that, select your new country from the list and carefully enter your full address, including city and postal code. Binance will then ask you to upload a proof of address document, such as a utility bill or bank statement. Make sure the document is recent and clearly shows your name and address. After submitting everything, Binance will review your request. This usually takes 1 to 2 business days. Keep an eye on your email in case Binance asks for additional information or confirmation. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to change your country on Binance safely and correctly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide made things easier for you.